Aluminum has been a vital metal for ages and has played pivotal roles in the aviation industry. It is the preferred metal for aircraft production. This question is more than just a curiosity. It's a matter of engineering excellence and crucial decision-making. You see, when it comes to constructing an aircraft, the choice of material is not taken lightly. It's a deliberate decision and choice between strength, weight, cost, and various other factors. Aircrafts are complex machines soaring high above the clouds, battling the forces of nature. They need materials that can withstand these challenges and yet remain light enough to defy gravity. When it comes to these demands, three metals often come to mind: aluminum, titanium, and steel. Each of these materials has its own set of unique properties, making them suitable materials for the job. But among these, one material often takes the lead and stands out quite prominently. It's aluminum. So what makes aluminum stand out among the competition? Let's delve deeper. Aircrafts need to be durable, but they also need to be light. Aluminum ticks both boxes. This metal is a true lightweight champion, coming in at approximately 1/3 the weight of steel, copper, or brass. This weight difference is significant, especially when you consider the size of an aircraft. Now think about the fuel efficiency. The lighter the aircraft, the less fuel it requires to fly. This not only leads to a reduction in operating costs, but also contributes to a decrease in carbon emissions, making aluminum an environmentally friendly choice. And let's not forget about cost savings. Aluminum is cheaper to produce and process compared to many other metals. This affordability is another reason why aircraft manufacturers favor aluminum. So the lightweight nature of aluminum is not just about making it easier to get off the ground. It's about efficiency, cost savings, and sustainability. But it's not just about weight. Aluminum has more advantages that makes it an ideal metal for aircraft production. Corrosion is a silent killer for aircraft. Aluminum, however, is a strong adversary. When it comes to maintaining the strength and integrity of an aircraft, corrosion is a constant enemy. Yet this is where aluminum shines. Its natural resistance to corrosion is a major advantage in the fight against this destructive force. You see, when aluminum is exposed to air, it forms a thin layer of aluminum oxide. This protective shield is hard, dense, and clings to the aluminum surface, preventing further oxidation and, importantly, corrosion. It's a bit like a knight donning its armor, ready to face the battle against the elements. Compare this to other metals. Over time, these metals can corrode, weaken, and compromise the safety of the aircraft. But not aluminum. Its steadfast resistance to corrosion not only improves the lifespan of aircraft, but also helps keep maintenance costs down. So aluminum is light and corrosion resistant, but there's more to it. Aircraft face high pressures and temperatures. Aluminum, however, holds its own. Now let's talk about strength and flexibility. Two key characteristics that set aluminum apart in the high-stakes world of aviation. You see, aluminum has a remarkable ability to withstand substantial stress. While it may not be the strongest metal on the block, it more than makes up for it with its brilliant flexibility. This malleability allows it to be shaped and molded into complex structures, crucial for aircraft design. Let's compare this with other metals. Some may have superior strength, but they lack the flexibility of aluminum. In aviation, a rigid structure can be a liability. It's about striking the right balance between strength and flexibility, and that's where aluminum shines. Its ability to flex without breaking under extreme conditions is a game changer. We've seen how aluminum is light, corrosion-resistant, strong, and flexible. But how does this all stack up? We've looked at the properties of aluminum and how they benefit aircraft, but why is it the preferred choice? Well, let's recap. Aluminum is lightweight, making it a champion in fuel efficiency. An aircraft made of a heavier material would require more fuel, and we all know how costly that can be. Moreover, aluminum resists corrosion, a quality that's crucial in the face of harsh weather conditions and extreme temperatures. It's like a knight in shining armor, protecting the aircraft from premature aging and damage. Then there's the strength and flexibility of aluminum. It can withstand huge amounts of pressure while maintaining its form, a bit like a gymnast performing complex routines. But what's the cherry on top? The cost-effectiveness of aluminum. It's not just about the initial cost, but also about the long-term savings from reduced maintenance and fuel consumption. Aluminum will for a long time remain very relevant in the aviation industry. It is a super metal, and its peculiar qualities continues to render it almost indispensable in aircraft production.